7 Creative ways to make money online. 2. How to earn money from home. 2. How is it possible to earn money by doing e-commerce online? E-commerce, or selling products or services online, is a popular way to make money on the internet. Here are some ways you can make money through e-commerce. 1. Start an online store. You can create an online store using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. You can sell your own products or resell products from other companies. 2. Dropshipping. This is a business model where you sell products from a supplier without holding inventory. When a customer buys a product from your online store, you purchase it from the supplier and have it shipped directly to the customer. 3. Affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and receive a commission for every sale that is made through your unique affiliate link. You can promote products on your website, social media channels, or through email marketing. 4. Digital products. You can create and sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, or software. 5. Subscription services. You can offer subscription services like monthly boxes, digital subscriptions, or membership sites. Is it possible to earn money by teaching online? Yes, it is possible to make money by teaching online. There are several platforms that allow you to teach courses or provide one-on-one instruction to students remotely. Here are some ways you can make money through online teaching. 1. Online tutoring. You can offer one-on-one tutoring in a particular subject through video chat platforms like Skype or Zoom. 2. Online language teaching. You can teach a language to students around the world through platforms like italki or Verbling. 3. Online course creation. You can create and sell your own courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. 4. Online coaching. You can offer coaching services in areas like business, career, or personal development. Can we earn money online by doing freelance work? Yes, it is possible to make money by doing freelance work online. Freelance work is becoming increasingly popular as more businesses and individuals are looking for remote workers to complete short-term or project-based work. Here are some ways you can make money through freelance work. 1. Freelance writing. You can write articles, blog posts, or other types of content for businesses or websites. 2. Graphic design. You can create logos, website designs, or other graphics for businesses or individuals. 3. Web development. You can build websites or web applications for businesses or individuals. 4. Virtual assistant work. You can provide administrative or personal assistance to individuals or businesses remotely. 5. Translation work. You can provide translation services for documents or content for businesses or individuals. Is it possible to earn money by writing ebooks? Yes, it is possible to make money by writing and selling ebooks online. Ebooks are a popular form of digital content that can be easily distributed and sold online. Here are some ways you can make money by writing and selling ebooks. 1. Sell ebooks on your own website. You can create your own website to sell your ebooks directly to readers. 2. Sell ebooks on ebook marketplaces. You can sell your ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Apple Books, or Barnes & Noble's Nook Press. 3. Create an ebook series. You can create a series of ebooks on a particular topic or in a particular genre to build a following. 4. Use affiliate marketing to sell ebooks. You can use affiliate marketing to promote and sell other authors' ebooks and earn a commission on sales. Which digital products can we sell to earn money online? There are many different types of digital products that you can sell online to make money. Here are some examples. 1. Ebooks. As mentioned earlier, ebooks are a popular type of digital product that you can write and sell online. 2. Online courses. You can create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or Teachable. Online courses can be on any topic that you are knowledgeable about. 3. Software and apps. If you have programming skills, you can create and sell software or apps online. 4. Graphic design assets. If you have graphic design skills, you can create and sell digital assets like logos, templates, or illustrations. 5. Photography. If you are a skilled photographer, you can sell your photos online on platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. 6. Music. If you are a musician, you can sell your music online on platforms like iTunes or Bandcamp. 7. Digital art. If you are an artist, you can sell your digital art online on platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. To be successful in selling digital products, you need to have a strong understanding of your target audience and be able to create products that appeal to them. You also need to have marketing skills to promote your products effectively and reach a wider audience. Is it possible to earn money by investing online? Yes, it is possible to make money by investing online. Here are some ways to do so. 1. Stocks. You can invest in the stock market through online brokerage platforms like eTrade, TD Ameritrade, or Robinhood. By buying stocks in companies that you believe will grow, you can make money through capital appreciation and dividends. 2. Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin can be bought and sold online through exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. The value of cryptocurrencies is highly volatile, but there is potential for significant gains. 3. Forex trading. Forex trading involves buying and selling currencies online. You can do this through online forex brokers like Agora Wanda. Forex trading can be risky, but there is potential for high profits. 4. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club or Prosper allow you to lend money to individuals or businesses online. You can earn interest on your loans and potentially make a higher return than with traditional savings accounts. 5. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul allow you to invest in real estate projects online. You can earn returns through rental income or capital appreciation. It's important to remember that all investments come with some level of risk, so it's essential to do your research and understand the potential risks and rewards before investing your money. Additionally, it's important to have a solid understanding of investment principles and strategies, as well as market trends and economic conditions. How is it possible to earn money by doing online marketing? Online marketing, also known as digital marketing, is the process of promoting your products or services using various strategies and techniques on the internet. Some common methods of online marketing include search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, pay-per-click advertising, and content marketing. By leveraging these methods, you can increase your online visibility, drive traffic to your website, and ultimately increase sales and revenue. For example, SEO can help your website rank higher in search engine results pages, making it more likely that people will find your website when searching for relevant keywords. Social media marketing can help you engage with your audience and build a loyal following. Email marketing can be used to nurture leads and keep customers informed about new products or promotions. Pay-per-click advertising allows you to place ads on search engines and social media platforms and pay only when someone clicks on your ad. Overall, online marketing can be a highly effective way to reach new customers, increase brand awareness, and drive sales. However, It requires a significant investment of time and effort to develop and execute a successful strategy.